Have you ever thought, how does a manual wristwatch work? Well, it's pretty simple and easy to understand once you know it. Come, let me show you how. When you turn the crown on the side of the case, a series of gears, the clutch, crown, and ratchet wheels, grip the mainspring and coil it tightly, storing potential energy. The coiled mainspring uncoils very slowly. This motion pushes a series of interlocking gears called the gear train. This train steps up the rotational speed and transmits the power directly to the regulating assembly. This acts as the gatekeeper of the watch. It catches and releases the energy from the gear train in rapid, controlled bursts. This repetitive stopping and starting is exactly what creates the classic ticking sound. Often considered the heartbeat of the watch, this weighted wheel swings rapidly back and forth, typically 5 to 8 times per second. Driven by the escapements releases, it acts like a clock's pendulum to ensure the gears turn at exactly the right speed. As the gear train turns at highly regulated intervals, it drives the cannon pinion, which physically moves the hour, minute, and second hands across the watch dial.
Thank you for watching.